Faisalabad is the textile hub of Pakistan. The country's third largest city has 328 factories. Once nicknamed the Little Manchester, clothes for some of the biggest European and American brands are produced here. Several factories are located in the heart of residential areas like Jubilee Textiles. It produces printed fabrics sold in bulk on the local market.
This is the raw fabric we buy on the market. We check the quality first, then we categorize them. We check that there are no defects on the garments or threads sticking out.
The laborers work on these old textile machines without any protection.
Here are the washing machines to clean the clothes, to remove all the dust. We use different chemicals to wash the fabrics. We have soap, fabric softener, and hydrochloric acid. We use 40,000 to 50,000 gallons of water per hour, and all of that water goes straight into the city's main sewer system, untreated.
The factory has no wastewater treatment plant or proper drainage. The water flows directly into the ground. The manager says that he doesn't have much choice.
Producing in an eco-friendly way is very expensive. You can't get started without government help, and here there is none. So if you decide to do it anyway, you have to come up with the money yourself. And even though the government does provide loans, the interest rates are so high that they are unsustainable.
The factory's chimneys blow out charred smoke in the heart of the neighborhood. It is a daily ordeal for the residents.
You see, these factories are right next to our houses. They give off this black smoke day and night. You see, here the ashes of the factories are deposited everywhere. These ashes cause respiratory diseases, coughing, sore throat, and serious complications in the children who live in the neighborhood.
Samila Khan recently developed asthma and is worried about his children. For him, the polluted air is not the only problem.
This water is not drinkable. It smells very bad. We can't even have a shower with it. We can only use the tap water for washing clothes and cleaning the house. We use this water for drinking and brushing our teeth. These factories cause so much pollution. Now, we just want them to close. Why should the residents of the city suffer? These factories, which are operating in residential neighborhood, they should be the ones to be kicked out.
Some industrial zones are set up in the outskirts of the city like Allama Iqbal Industrial Park, situated 30 kilometers from the center. Sadakat Textile Group is located here. For 50 years, it is known for its quality household linen, sold in both local and international markets. The group provides linen to major European brands. It is among the top 50 exporters in the country. Aged only 16, Mukhtar is one of the directors of this family-run business. He's pushing for more eco-friendly methods.
We've reduced hazardous waste by 51.5%. We've reused approximately about 100,000 meter cubes of water in 2019, and this was just the start. My grandfather and my father, they're businessmen. The fact being that they were not as aware as I am. So it was my job to bring into their notice the young generation. We are more aware of what's happening around the world and how we can take initiatives.
Outside, we can see some of the initiatives.
This is a water recycling plant, and this is Sadakat is the first company in Pakistan. All the water being used in the industry, it comes here, it is being treated, and we are saving about 35% to 40% of all water.
However, the main source of energy for the factory still remains coal, the most polluting fuel. But Sadakat Group has pledged to go 100% green in the next 10 years. In this garment market in Lahore, the leftovers for the biggest ready-to-wear Western brands are sold. These clothes were intended for export, but they ended up here because either they were produced in surplus or they have a slight manufacturing defect.
Do you have the police brand of trousers?
Yes, sir. Look here, these are police brand trousers. They were originally made to be exported to Australia. They're of very good quality, with stretchable fabric. Here we have a pair of jeans from Springfield. Its original price was 50 euros.
How much do you sell it for?
Sir, we offer it at a very low price, only 1,000 rupees. Brands produce clothes in large quantities. They ship the ordered volumes. The rest, they dump here. The environmental cost of this excessive production is huge. The problem is that there's no law in Pakistan to prevent this. They're taking advantage of it.
The pollution caused by the textile industry is alarming. It dramatically adds to the disastrous consequences of global warming in the country.